You're gonna go like this. You're gonna go like this and roll back. Good. Drop your shoulders. Yep. Woo! That was clean.
That was amazing.
This left hip is the one that's hiking up high, right? So everything is dipping down low, rotating on that right side. Left side's coming up really high, and then this is causing some stuff in your lumbar. So I'm gonna go here. So your body feels pretty good, feels relaxed. Now we can kind of just play around with that.
I did stretch this morning.
Okay, good, thanks. Helps me out. So you're gonna feel a nudge, drop, roll.
Oh yeah.
Boom. That was great.
Yes, it was.
This one's more of like a little J-shape hook.
Yep.
That was great too. Woo.
Oh yeah.
Ken, that looks better. Woo.
Felt easier.
I mean, this one barely moved in the beginning. How was this experience for you, man?
Awesome. Like I said, 5 years in the waiting.
Good job.
Thank you.
That was great.